How to change profile picture in Grindr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now, on the top, tap on your profile picture again. So, we're in this editing platform. Here on the bottom, tap on edit profile. Here on the top, you'll be able to add your profile picture and add different albums too. Now simply tap on this picture and tap on this plus icon. Now here you can directly choose a photo or take a photo from your gallery. Here I'm tapping on gallery. Now simply select the photo that you want to input or add into. Now I'm adding one, and at last simply tap on next, and here you're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.